Hi, it's Chia Traveling and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox BTS's summer package from 2019, and I did buy the summer package secondhand from a seller on Facebook from the Facebook marketplace. There were two things that were not included. It was the drawing diaries and it was the fan. So I did buy the drawing diaries, all 7 of them, from a seller on eBay. Oh, it's so gorgeous. They were making this summer package in Korea, as this was the last summer package they were going to make. They wanted to show Korea for the armies overseas. And we have the disc here. Oh. And we have the members. And they were staying at a hanok in Wonju. And this is like a Korean traditional hat. Oh, and the nature is so beautiful. And here we have the photo book. So the first place they were taking pictures was at this theme park. And then they are taking pictures at the hanok. Oh, and that's where J-Hope and Suga, they made Mojo. And the other went paragliding. Oh, it looks so fun. And they were taking pictures at this fortress wall. Seeing these pictures, I really want to go visit Wonju. And then they are making this huache, and it's where you split the watermelon and then mix it with, I think, was it ice cream or a lot of different sodas. Oh, and then they were looking at the other summer packages they have made. So this was the last summer package they were going to make. It was overlapping with their schedule and it was difficult for them to find time to make the summer package. So in the future they wanted to make winter packages instead. Let's unbox the drawing diaries. So let's have a look on RM's drawing diary. That's a traditional Korean house. And that's when he was paragliding. And that's the mountain fortress. And that's the poem he did write when they were staying at the house. And his poem is called Eternal Summer.
나는 여행 가서 사진 찍는 것을 별로 좋아하지 않았다. 소중한 추억들이 눈 대신 셔터 속에 머물기 때문이다. 허나 방탄 덕에 매년 여름에 우리가 최고로 남았다. 썸패는 끝났지만 여름은 돌아오겠지. 우리들의 영원한 썸머. 잘했어.
And that's the score. Then we have Jin's drawing diary. And he went paragliding as well. And this is where they made the hwache. And his poem is called Wanju.
완주 김석진.
오, 지금 완주야.
완주 끝이 보인다. 5년간의 나의 기록들 끝이 보인다. 열심히 달려왔다. 내 5년간의 달리기가 이곳 완주에서 끝이 날 것 같다.
Sugar's diary. And his poem was called End.
썸머 패키지의 마지막. 그것은 어쩌면 또 다른 시작. 아쉬워하지 말게나. 스프링 패키지, 펄 패키지, 윈터 패키지, 썸머 패키지의 마지막. 그것은 또 다른 시작.
And the scores. J-Hope's drawing diary. And that's where they made the emoji J-Hope and Sugar. And J-Hope's poem is called By Summer.
안녕 여름아? 했던 때가 엊그제 같은데 이제는 여름아 안녕. 우리들의 첫 추억과 마지막 이 순간이 서로 인사를 하는구나. 무수한 더위와 수많은 땀. 우리들의 마지막 부채질이 추억들을 식힌다. 여름아 고마워. 여름아 사랑해.
Jimin's drawing diary. Oh, he's drawing so cute. Paragliding. And his poem, It is all right.
괜찮소. 괜찮소. 마지막이라 하여도 괜찮소. 다른 여인이 기다리고 있으니 어디 가지 않을 테니 괜찮소. 받은 사랑 다 갚을 때까지 어디 가지 않을 터이니 괜찮소.
V's drawing diary. They were actually supposed to go visit the valley but because it was the rain season, there were too much water, so they couldn't go there. So instead they went to the reservoir. This poem is called End.
출발을 하면 도착이 있듯이 시작을 하면 어느새 마지막이 되더라. 더 재밌게 보낼 걸, 기억할 수 있는 무언가를 많이 만들어 놓을 걸. 마지막이 있음 새로운 출발이 있다는 걸 왜 이제 알았을까? 지금은 이렇게 느껴지는 나를 보면서 꼬마일 땐 왜 그렇게 아쉽다며 엉엉 울기만 했을까? 엉엉.
And actually this poem was the poem that won and got the most points. Jungkook's drawing diary. It's very detailed, of course. And his poem is called Still.
사계절 중 가장 뜨거운 너의 느낌이 너무 강해. 내 기억에 가장 오래 남아있다. 비록 너와 헤어지게 될지라도 여전히 내 몸 안에 남아있다. 그리고 여전히 덥다. 끝입니다.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care. Bye!